Super weather.
Good Wednesday morning. I'm meteorologist Brooke Martell. I hope you're having a great start to your week. More of the same today. We have those overcast sky conditions out along the coast, extending into the valleys for that morning commute. By this afternoon, just slightly warmer compared to yesterday, and it's really by a degree or just a couple of degrees. I'll show you in just a moment. For the rest of the week, though, we get that gradual warming. This is going to continue through Friday, and then we will continue to have that morning coastal fog that extends into the valleys. Over downtown, cloudy skies to start, temperatures there right around the mid 60s. And as we go into the rest of your morning, this is going to be for about 5 a.m. Those temperatures are going to be right around the 50s over the valleys. We'll have 50s and 60s over your coastline. Same thing will go for the mountains, and actually warming up pretty quickly over the desert region. Del Mar, here's a look at that coastal forecast for you for today. You could see right around those upper 60s heading into this afternoon, partly cloudy skies. So give it some time with that cloud cover. We know it can be stubborn to clear. We have a little bit of that westerly flow, which you can see right here, that's pushing the clouds on shore. But as we continue to get the heat from the sun throughout the day, that should help mix some of the cloud cover out, allow for some blue skies and some sunshine here. Moderate rip current risk continues, wave heights from 2 to 5 feet, water temperature from the low 60s. Here's a look at your inland valley planner for today. So right around 7 a.m., still cloudy. We have those temperatures going into about the mid 60s by 9 a.m. and then mid 70s by noon, partly cloudy skies. So it's kind of the same deal over the inland valleys and the coastline, where it's going to just take a little while for that cloud cover to start to mix out. For your daytime highs, so up and down the coastline, we're right around those upper 60s if you're heading to the beach. If you're going to be closer to downtown, we're expecting low 70s for your Wednesday. Now, over the inland valleys, check this out. Mid 70s up to about the mid 80s. It really depends on where you are. Escondido, Poway, La Mesa, you can see right around those mid to upper 70s. But as you continue east, El Cajon, as well as Ramona, Alpine, we're expecting for you to be in the 80s today. We'll have some 80s, even up to those 90s over the mountain communities. Triple digit temperatures once again for the desert region. 10-day forecast looks like this. It really is going to be consistent with these daytime highs, especially up and down the coastline. We are looking at some slightly warmer temperatures by the end of the week heading into your weekend. And for the inland valley communities, hanging on mainly to some low 80s actually through Friday. We'll taper off a little bit for the weekend. By next week, it's really going to be consistent. For the mountains, we have those 80s through Friday, 70s for the weekend. Triple digit temperatures are going to hang around, or at least will be close to it really through the extended period over the desert region. Have a great day.
Don't forget your umbrella.